Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers that are at our stores and around the world. We are especially happy to bring a gift guide for Mother's Day. If you're looking for that special gift for mom and you're not quite sure, we have a gift guide that we made just for moms. It has all kinds of wonderful things on sale that mom's gonna love. Now, if you're still unsure after looking at our gift guide, then please get her a gift card. Moms always love gift cards. The gift card promotion is an extra 20% back. So if you spend $100, you're gonna get a gift card for $120. So that's extra money for mom to get some fun things that she'll really want. So pop in the store, look on our website, give us a call, download this gift guide so you can maybe put it under her pillow and let her circle her favorites. Thanks and happy Mother's Day, family.